Hello everyone, Alok here. So in this video, we'll be triggering our Jenkins build using a Telegram bot. So let's get started. This is the Jenkins server and these are the jobs. And currently this server is hosted on my local machine on port 9090. Now I've created this bot using Podfather in Telegram and I have associated this bot with my server so that I can trigger the builds remotely using this bot. Okay. Currently this bot is it's hosted on my local machine. Okay, let me start it. So as you can see, here's the welcome message, and when I click on this show me the jobs, okay, it will show me the list of jobs and ask me which jobs you want to trigger. So there are two jobs: regression job and selenium, and the same you can see here on the Jenkins as well. So I'm gonna trigger this jobs using this bot. But before that, let me jump on this local host and get the latest build history. So as you can see, the latest build is 12 in this Jenkins bot. I mean, in this Jenkins server. And let me go ahead and trigger this regression job. So you can see successfully triggered, and there is a request for build 30. Okay, and soon it will start. Yep, so it has started. Right, it has started. And as you can see, it has launched browser itself. So my tests are in progress. Let me go ahead and close this browser. Okay, similarly I'll go to this Selenium job. As you can see, there are 29 builds already triggered. Okay, let me trigger this from the bot itself. So in order to do that, I need to navigate back to the main menu using the start button. I'll click on show me the jobs, and this time I want to trigger this Selenium. Okay, so I'll click on Selenium. Bingo. You can see there is a request for this particular build and it has started. Okay, build number is 30. So, yep, these are the positive scenarios how we can trigger this build using bot. Now, uh, let's consider uh, a scenario where we don't have Jenkins up and running. Okay, so let me just bring down the Jenkins server. Now, if I'll refresh the dashboard, and you can see we got an error like this site cannot be reached. Okay, so it means that our Jenkins is not running. However, since bot is working on my local machine, it's hosted on my local machine, it is working. So let me go ahead and try to trigger one of the build. Yeah, so yeah, let me go ahead and trigger a regression job. So it should throw me an error. Yeah, so if you read the message, regression job not triggered on Jenkins due to below error because it's a connection pool failed to establish new connection. Yeah. So this is what I was referring to, that we can trigger our Jenkins build remotely using Telegram bot. But you need to keep in mind that this bot that I have created here is hosted on my local. But if you want it to implement somewhere, you need to host it on any cloud machine so that you can access it 24/7. So yeah, that's all I want to discuss. Thanks for your time. Thank you.